this is essentially if you have a brand deal, or essentially if you're running your own ads, and you have to mention, you have to set up a label, and you have to mark the particular ad that this is a brand deal, this is a sponsorship. There is a financial incentive for you to posting this type of content or product. Then you have the cross posting, something that I tried to explain earlier. So for example, you can essentially post stuff that are created on Facebook and could be automatically published on Reels here on Instagram. As we all know, you can publish Facebook Reels and you can publish Instagram Reels. But if you actually cross post, meaning that every time when you publish here on Instagram, it will show up on Facebook Reels and on Facebook, on your page, Facebook page, like I mentioned, if you actually link your page. So this is why this is very helpful. This is simply allowing you to have a double, if not triple the traffic for free. You don't do extra work.